Hello everyone, my name is Vinod. I was looking to get my hair implants done. This was like a couple of years ago, and I looked for a good doctor who can give me my crown back, who can give me my confidence back. And then after researching, I found few doctors, but then when I checked out Dr. Vinod Sonawane's profile at Bloom Hair Transplant, I felt a bit confident, so I approached him and I came to came to see Dr. Vinod Sonawane for a consultation. So during the consultation, he gave me that confidence and he assured me that we can achieve very good results. And I'm actually very pleased to inform you that I have been here and I have achieved great results. Now you can see. So I have got my crown back and I also got my confidence back. So thank you very much Bloom Hair Transplant, and thank you very much Dr. Vinod Sonawane.